We were doing the advertisement writing. This is another type of advertisement that is for sale that we will be doing today. On your screen, you can see that the property for sale advertisement is there. For this, I have shown you what the different things that you have to write in this type of advertisement. Firstly, you have to make the box, then you have to write the heading in the bold, then you have to give a line gap, and you have to write the advertisement in 50 words. Over here, house for sale at area Goa, spacious, 3 bedrooms, fully furnished, well maintained lawn and car parking facilities, best location, reasonable price, contact details. For such a type of advertisement, firstly you have to mention where this property is situated. Then you have to give the details about the same, such as this is 3 bedroom set, it is fully furnished, well maintained lawn, car parking near the market, and something other. और फिर प्राइस बता देना, व्हाट इज़ इट, रीजनेबल प्राइस और सर्टन प्राइस इफ इट इज़ देयर, एंड इन द लास्ट यू हैव टू राइट द कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स. If you have to write for the vehicle that you want to sell, then this is the point that you have to keep in mind and you have to write down. That is, you have to make an appropriate heading, then you have to tell the model or year of the manufacturing of the vehicle, then you have to give its color, then the features and accessories fitted in it, then its condition, then the mileage, then ownership details, kilometer that the vehicle has run, and the insurance details, whether it is third party insurance, second party, or the first party insurance, or if the vehicle is insured or uninsured. This is the advertisement for the same. You plan to sell your old car. Draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words to be inserted in a reputed national daily, giving all necessary details of the car. क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है, आपको एक अपनी पुरानी गाड़ी बेचनी है, आपको 50 वर्ड्स में एडवर्टाइजमेंट लिखनी है. सिमिलरली फॉर दिस, फर्स्टली यू विल मेक द बॉक्स. On the top you will write the heading, that is car for sale. Then you will be writing its description, that it is red color car, the model, whether if you want to give something else you can also write whether it is I-10 or I-20 or something like that. Then the kilometers that the vehicle has run, then single owner driven, because if it is driven by 2 or 3 or 4 people, then the condition of car can be thought that it won't be that much good. That's why person has mentioned single owner driven. Original parts, fitted with AC stereo, excellent condition, price not negotiable, that is 2 lakhs. Contact details, why is it doing so, because owner going abroad. Simple. Firstly make a box, write the heading, tell all the things, color, model, kilometers run, mileage, accessories and all, and insurance, and don't forget to mention the price and contact details. Reason if it is given, and if you want to mention then you can, it is optional. These are certain questions that you have to do as the homework. Now this is another type. If you want to sell your household goods, the question is, you are Jignesh or Jia living in this area, you have been transferred to the Middle East, you have a television and washing machine to sell. Draft a suitable advertisement for publisher in a local daily. आप जिग्नेश या जिया हो, आप यहाँ रह रहे हो, आपको मिडल ईस्ट में भेज दिया है, आप अपना टीवी या वॉशिंग मशीन बेचना चाहते हो, उसके लिए एडवर्टाइजमेंट लिखनी है. Similarly, firstly you will make the box, then you write the heading in the bold in the middle of the line, then you will give a line break, and then you will be writing like, for immediate sale, a brand new Oneida TV and washing machine model this, bought last December, both in excellent working condition, owner going abroad, price negotiable, contact details this. It is easy, you have to mention its description about the details, when you have to bought it, what is its model number, what is the condition, price, what are you expecting, and the reason why it has been selling. These are certain questions that you have to do. Thank you.